Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily download the Zara app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and look for the App Store icon. It's the blue icon with the A on it. Tap to open the app. Once you are in the App Store, tap the search icon. This will bring you to the search bar. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You have to type in Zara. As you type, you will see some suggestions pop up. Select the one that says Zara. Tap the search button on the keyboard. Now, you will see the Zara app listed in the search result. Look for the app with the zebra logo. A sleek black and white design. Tap Get button next to it. Wait a few seconds for the app to download and install. Once it is done, you will see an open button. Tap it to launch the Zara app for the first time. And that's it. You are all set to explore the latest Zara collection right from your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.